Hi guys, it's Mike's Auto Care. Just thought I'd do a very quick video. We have lots of different kinds of vehicles coming through, as you can imagine, in all sorts of different conditions. And I always try and give a bit of advice to the customer when they leave of kind of ongoing care, you know, how to keep the vehicle looking good for longer, and not kind of cause any damage to the vehicle. But one thing that we come across very regularly is alloy wheels. There's certain products you can buy. We don't actually have them in stock, but there are certain products out there that are very acidic, and they have a dwell time around 60 seconds. After 60 seconds they're starting to eat into your wheel, into your lacquer, into your clear coat, and starting to do damage. So unfortunately this car does have that problem, and it's a case of having to go and have your wheels refurbed. There's nothing that we can do to rectify it. It is a refurb, so just to kind of bear in mind, if you use those type of products, it's a 60-second dwell time. Personally, we don't use them. We use pH neutral. Everything's pH neutral. And if it is kind of heavily ingrained, we can use like a soft clay bar. We can use TFR. There are certain TFRs out there on the market that aren't too acidic. We find it a lot on cars actually that come from auctions, that someone's bought from an auction, because they'll maybe have 10 or 15 cars, so they'll go and pre-spray kind of all the wheels with this stuff. But I'm just going to show you the side effects of what can happen when those chemicals are used. Okay, so that's the wheel, and what we're looking at is, if you look in here, you can see that blistering. It is very common. You would have seen it probably on lots of vehicles, lots of cars. And it's a blooming shame because they're beautiful wheels, beautiful. But it doesn't matter how much we try and clean them or what we do, there's nothing we can do to get rid of that. That needs to go and be refurbed, unfortunately, to correct it. It's not something we can do. And it is a case of just where that product's just been sat on for far too long. It shouldn't have been on there for that long. Just be careful out there, guys, if you are doing your wheels. Check your products, check the dwell time, and try and always go pH neutral if you can. That's it for now. We'll crack on and get this car nice and clean, and on to the next one.